It's our 2010 Valley's Biggest Loser Reflections Day.
I wish I could say that.
Everybody's carrying the weight that they've lost over the last 10 weeks. They're carrying that on their backs. And it's awesome to see this. They're reflecting on the weight that they've lost so far in this challenge. Some of them 20, 30, 40 pounds lost. And they've got backpacks or bags full of non-perishable foods that weigh the equivalent of what they've lost to date so far in this challenge. And it's just unbelievable to see some of them 30, 40, 50 pounds on their backs. And it's just life transforming to see them go through this journey. And we're out here on Diaz Road walking over to the weigh station over at Southwest Traders Building. We're going to get our food weighed. So this Thanksgiving is going to be pretty cool for them. They're going to be 20 to 60 pounds lighter.
Everybody, come on down. Let's get on the scale.
It's our VBL.
Oh my God, we're already at 9,260 pounds, 10,080 pounds.
Everybody off me, get on. Okay, I'm gonna put over on this.
We're at 12,000 pounds, 13,000 pounds, 13,500 pounds, 14,800, 15,000 pounds, 15,100 pounds,
Let's record a number then.
15,000 pounds. We got everybody here.
Stand still, please.
This is our Reflections Challenge.
Stand still. 15,400 pounds was the number I saw.
15,400 pounds.
Okay, Jimmy, get over. The rest of us will get back.
Now, will green team please step off the scale?
There goes 10,000 pounds. 600 pounds, what? I guess us two would never make it in an elevator.
I'm sorry, I got that backwards. Green team step off. Green team step back on.
Green team on the scale.
This is their day to reflect on the weight that they have lost. They're now carrying it in their backpacks to basically reflect on the 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds, 60 pounds they've lost these last 10 weeks. And all the food that that they're bringing in the pounds
7,240 pounds is what I recorded.
is going to be donated to a local food pantry here. And it's the week before Thanksgiving, so it couldn't have come at a better time. And kind of the motto of this whole challenge has been help yourself while helping others. And they're helping themselves by changing their lives and losing weight and transforming their mind, body, and spirit. And now they're going to be helping other people, you know, who are hungry and who need food for Thanksgiving. So probably my favorite day, and I can assure you their favorite day, is this Reflections Challenge Day. Our Valley's Biggest Loser. They're donating the pounds that they've lost. Was it a tie? Was it a tie? What? That's crazy.
What'd she say? A tie?
They said it tied. How's that even possible? Donating food. The pounds lost from this challenge are now being turned into